Hey everyone, and welcome back to Blogging Good Food. We all know that feeling, right? You crave a sweet treat, but the thought of slaving away in the kitchen for hours just isn't appealing. Well, I'm here to tell you that your kitchen struggles end today. You see, I recently discovered a recipe so simple yet so incredibly delicious that it blew my mind. I'm talking about a cake made with just 3 ingredients. Can you believe it? And guess what? It's even no bake. This is a game changer, folks. For this recipe, you'll need just a few basic kitchenware: a mixing bowl, a hand mixer or electric stand mixer for ease, a spatula, your trusty baking pan, and some parchment paper to prevent any sticky situation. Now on to the magic ingredients. You'll need a full package of your favorite Oreos, cream and all, half cup of milk, and half teaspoon of baking powder. That's it. 3 simple ingredients to pure dessert bliss. First, we'll need to crush the Oreos. You can use a food processor for a fine crumb or a rolling pin for more chunky texture, depending on your preference. Once the Oreos are crushed, add them to your mixing bowl. Pour in the milk and baking powder, and then mix everything together with your hand mixer or stand mixer until it's well combined and smooth. Next, line your baking pan with parchment paper. This will prevent your cake from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Now the moment we have all been waiting for, baking time. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the cake is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and serving. For an extra chocolatey kick, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder on the top of the cake before baking, or for a festive touch, add some chopped nuts or mini marshmallows to the batter. That's it for today's delicious journey. I hope you enjoyed baking this and eat delightful Oreo cake with us as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mouthwatering recipes and kitchen hacks you'll love. Visit our websites for the full recipe and check out our blog for more baking inspiration.